69 base plus Monday. This one right here is for Owen. Where you at, Owen? You're in Wichita, Kansas. Owen, we got you ready to go. You ordered this with just a simple tune and alignment, and of course it's set up for 11 meter. Factory non-LED lights here. So we're going to start with the RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug. Yep, you guessed it, 3 watts all the way down, so you're plenty low to run a 4 pill, 6 pill, 8 pill. Roll it all the way up. 30 watts. Show you average power swing. Hello. 66 bird. What's that equate to on the PEP side? 250 watt slug, top scale. Low 130 plus. All right, Ranger, good job, man. Got another one good out here at the door. We'll get this out our door and over to you, Owen, from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truckerized today.